little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and said,
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Stop it! You're going to get hurt. That's it. I'm calling the doctor.
No more monkeys jumping on the bed. You heard him. No more jumping.
Oh no! She fell off. No more jumping. Okay, I'll stop.
Doctor, the kids are jumping on the bed again. No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
But doctor, they just won't listen. No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Okay, you heard the doctor.
Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Doctor, the little one fell off the bed.
No more monkeys jumping on the bed. That's an order, young monkey. One little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Doctor, my monkeys are bouncing off the walls.
Put those monkeys straight to bed.
You heard the doctor. Straight to bed.
Aw, okay, Mama.